Good day, ma'am. I'm Jeremy Biabo. The coverage of this presentation is Central Processing Unit. I will discuss my answer in the listed questions you gave me. First is the instruction sets, characteristics, and functions. This refers to the attributes and rules of instructions in a computer's instruction set architectures. Characteristics involves the type of operations instructions can perform and how operands are addressed. Functions refer to the specific task executed by these instructions. Questions: what type of application can hold source and destination operands? The source and destination operands can be held in various locations, including registers, memory, and immediate values. The next questions is what is the difference between arithmetic shift and logical shift? So the arithmetic shift preserves the sign bit during shift operations, while logical shift fills the vacant bit positions with zeros. Number 2, the instruction sets addressing modes and formats. This pertains to how instructions specify operands and the format in which instructions are encoded. Addressing modes deal with how the processor accesses the data required for an operation, while formats involve the structure in which instructions are presented. The questions for the number 2: what is the difference between post-indexing and pre-indexing? In post-indexing, the effective address is calculated after the operand is fetched. In pre-indexing, the effective address is calculated before fetching the operand. Next question: what are the advantages and disadvantages of sewing a variable length instruction format? The variable length instruction formats offer flexibility but may result in complex decoding, leading to slower instruction fetch. Fixed length formats simplify decoding but may lead to wasted space. Number 3, the process or structure and function questions. This occurs and covers the organization and rules of components within a processor. It includes the function of processor registers, the control unit, arithmetic and logic units, and the overall structure that enables the execution of instructions. Question: what general rules are performed by the processor registers? Processor registers perform roles such as holding operands, storing intermediate results, and storing control information. Why is a two-stage instruction pipeline unlikely to cut the instruction cycle time in half, compared with the use of no pipeline? A two-stage instruction pipeline may not cut the instruction cycle time in half because stages often have dependencies, making the pipeline stall. Number 4, reduced instruction set computers, or the RISC. The RISC refers to a type of computer architecture characterized by a small, highly optimized set of simple instructions. The focus is on executing instructions quickly with a reduced cycle time. RISC processors often employ pipelining and emphasize efficiency in instruction execution. Question: If a circular register buffer is used to handle local variables for nested procedures, describe two approaches for handling global variables. Approaches for handling global variables in a circular registers buffer including dedicating specific registers for globals or using a separate global variable area in memory. Next question: What are the typical characteristics of a RISC instruction set architecture? RISC instruction set architectures typically feature a small set of simple instructions, uniform instruction formats, and a focus on optimizing instruction execution. Lastly, the number 5, instruction level parallelism and superscalar processors. This instruction level parallelism involves executing multiple instructions simultaneously to improve performance. Superscalar processors take advantage of this concept by employing multiple execution units that can handle multiple instructions concurrently. This enhances the throughput of instruction execution. Questions: What is the difference between the superscalar and the super pipeline approaches? Superscalar processors execute multiple instructions simultaneously, while super pipeline processors break down instruction execution into more stages for parallel processing. What is register renaming and what is its purpose? Register renaming involves renaming register dynamically or to eliminate data hazards and enable parallel execution of instructions. Its purpose is to improve instruction throughput and reduce stalls. And this is the end of my discussion of the central processing units.